Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I did a wall art for my bedroom. I know, I keep changing it over and over, and I don't know, there's something about the bedroom that I'm having trouble with. And I think it's the wall art. So I decided to use things that I already had. So it costed me $0. So I used some of the foam that I had left over, some of the cement I had left over, paint, all of that. And I went outside, got a few pieces of wood, and voila, my artwork creation is done. $0. Now that's what I like. I'm super happy of how it turned out. Obviously keeping it still in the earthy vibes that I love so much. I wanted to create a wall art that was going to contrast on the wall. Before I had this patchwork and it was like an ivory color, and I felt it didn't stand out on the wall. And especially with the mirrors that I added on the side, I thought that something a little bit more darker would have been perfect, and I'm happy I did that. For those of you who do, you can totally paint it lighter. I went a bit darker. You can paint it ivory. I was debating between ivory and brown, but I decided to go brown. It's up to you, but it's an inspiration, it's an idea. And before we get started, I wanted to say a big thank you to Proven's for sponsoring this video. It's been about 2 weeks that I have tried Proven, and what Proven is a 3-step skincare system. They create a skincare routine that's tailored for me, and they don't use the one-size-fits-all approach. It's catered to your unique skincare concerns and needs, which I love. Sometimes there's so many different skincare products out there that you get lost. I've always been all about skin. Skin is so important. When I was a teenager, I would go to bed, sleep with my makeup on. It was so bad. But as I got older, I wanted to take better care of my skin, and sometimes you think that you're putting the right products on your skin and you are making your skin worse. So at some point I was using a bunch of different ones, and I was totally unbalancing my pH level on my skin and the bacteria, and it was causing a lot of damage and creating more acne. So I ended up going online, taking a skin quiz that is based on 47 factors. So it includes unique skin concerns, heritage, to your skin's history. So I wanted to make sure that the anti-aging, the wrinkles, and my blemishes were my main concerns. Those were the ones I wanted to target the most. What's great is that as you're going through the quiz, you are actually seeing specific ingredients that will be incorporated into your personalized 3-step skincare system. You have your cleanser, then you have your day cream, and then you have your night cream. And that's it. It's tailored specifically to my skin, and it addresses all of my issues. I have been using it for the past 2 weeks. So far, I'm loving it. I am finding that it's helping with my acne on my chin. I feel that my skin looks healthier. I don't know, it's more hydrated and healthier. And so I'll keep you guys posted on how it's going, but so far so good. And it's only been 2 weeks, so I am super excited to see in a couple of months how much my skin has changed. I did a before and after picture so you guys can see a little bit of my skin before and my skin now. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a discount code and their link to their site so you guys can go take their quiz and start getting beautiness.